This review is of Ghirardelli Premium Baking Mini Semi-Sweet Chocolate Chips. And, the dairy is kosher, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims. There's instructions here on the back for Ghirardelli Mini Vanilla Chocolate Chip Cupcakes. It also has here the information about their claim about from bean to chip right here. And here are the ingredients and the nutrition facts. Hopefully that's all clearly visible to you. And I got these on sale at Kroger for $2. Normally they're a bit more than that. They have a nice smell. It's a nice chocolatey flavor. It's a bit subdued for my tastes. Personally, I feel like they should have put more chocolate into this. It's clearly not a dark chocolate. It doesn't say that the chocolate was processed with alkali, which is good. But really, personally for me, I expect better from Ghirardelli, so I'm kind of disappointed with this. But it is a good chocolate chip. Has a nice flavor to it. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a great day.